Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm creating a layout for the ColorCast Design team. I have their latest release. Here's a picture of their latest release, and I'm going to use that gorgeous title over there on the left that says Happy Moment. I do have a happy moment to document. So let's jump in and get started with today's layout. I do have the Pretty Little Studio Candy Cane collection, and here's the Happy Moment title from ColorCast. Now it's hard to see on camera, but I did take this paper and I ran it through my sewing machine and I created a wreath. I also have the candy cane die cuts here with the poinsettias, and I have 3 photos that I want to document. And this is Dale and I holding our peppermint mochas, or I had a peppermint hot chocolate, he had a peppermint mocha. Then there's a picture of us cheersing, and then there is a photo there of a man playing a piano in the background. So this was such a fun moment. We went downtown in the town that we live in, and every year around this time, they have what's called living windows. And it's where the downtown has like live people dressed up and playing out a Christmas scene. But the day that we went, it was really cold. I think it was -5 degrees. And so we decided we would go a little bit early and go in this cute little coffee shop called Java Jive. And we'd have our peppermint drinks. And then we would leave and kind of walk back to our car as the living windows was starting. So right at 5 o'clock, when living windows started, the man sat down and played the piano. And I remember him every year playing this piano at the living windows. It's one of my favorite things, but usually he's outside and his music fills the streets. Well, this year it was so cold, and so he was inside, but we were seated. I mean, you can see kind of where he's right behind us. Yeah, I think you might be able to see him behind Dale's head there. I'm not sure. But he sat down and started playing the piano, and he started playing I don't know what the song's called, but it's the one like that's in the Charlie Brown Christmas. And Dale's favorite is the Charlie Brown Christmas movie. And so I thought that was really fun that he played that song as his opening song. You know, I think it's like, it's Christmas time is here. I'm not going to sing it. My singing is horrible. But you know which one I'm talking about. Oh, it was so fun. So this was definitely a happy moment that I want to document. So one of the things I plan on doing in the new year is doing a lot more stitching. So I don't know how to sew in real life, like on fabric, but I've been experimenting sewing on my sewing machine on paper. And so in 2026, that's one of my goals, is to add more stitching to my layouts. Dale comes from a family that's very crafty, and in fact, his mom owned a craft store way back before craft stores were even a thing, and she made all kinds of handmade items. So he knows how to run the sewing machine. So he's kind of been giving me some lessons. I've also watched a lot of videos. So it was kind of funny because I was practicing with my sewing machine and I could not figure out why I couldn't get the stitches just right. And so Dale sat down, he was so patient, and he helped me, and I didn't have the needle threaded correctly. So I've got that figured out. So going forward, I know how to change the color of the thread. So that's the only thing I wish I would have done differently on this layout, is I wish I would have added like red stitching for the wreath. But I have white, so I'm working with that, and it's there, and you can see it in person. It just isn't showing up on the camera. So I've got several of these Pretty Little Studio Candy Cane collection elements. Here are the borders, and in fact, I pre-ordered these from a Cherry on Top. So I'd been waiting a really long time to receive these, and I'm really excited to get them on my layout today because they're gorgeous. I just love this color scheme, and these poinsettia flowers are beautiful. So I'm moving some die cuts around here, trying to decide how I want this layout to go. I've got my photos in place, and I did tack them down with just a little bit of tape runner. I'll probably need to go back in with some liquid glue later. But I know I want to put these flowers, and then I thought it would be fun to add the candy canes in my 3 clusters. So I'll have the cluster up there in the upper right, and then I've got a cluster over there on the left, and then one in the bottom next to the title, the Happy Moment title. And the title just matches this candy cane collection perfectly, so I thought that was a win. So I'm just gonna mess around here with several of my die cuts. I had so much fun playing with these. So I've got some candy canes, and then later I'm gonna bring in some peppermints as well to kind of beef up my clusters. I'm trying out different sizes of the candy canes here. I don't do a whole lot of technique or anything on this video, but I do have that stitch circle that you can't see. Maybe you'll see it in my close-up at the end. So I'm just going to move some of these die cuts around. And in fact, this was such a fun moment. We did have fun after we left the Java Jive shop. We went walking back to our car, but then we took a detour, of course. We walked around and looked at a few other items. There's also this store called Chocolate Stam, and we decided that next year we want to try the hot chocolates maybe at that place. They're a little more pricey, but they're unique and they make homemade chocolates there, so we thought that would be fun. All right, so here are the candy canes, or the little pieces of the peppermints. So I'm using a little bit of foam tape and I'm popping a few of those up. And I just love this beautiful title from ColorCast Design. I will leave a link to the ColorCast Design website where you can look at all the acrylic title pieces, as well as any links to any other products that I use today. And I always appreciate when you shop my links or leave my name in the comments of your order, as sometimes I earn a small commission, and that's at no extra charge to you. So that really helps me out here on YouTube. I tossed around the idea of that little candy there, but it didn't quite make the cut. I wanted them all to be a little more symmetric or symmetrical, so I'm going to add this green peppermint up here. So this layout is really coming together quickly. I'm going to use some Nuvo Deluxe glue. Now that's the glue that I like to use anytime I'm gluing down my acrylic titles, as I find that it dries clear and it always holds. So as I'm flipping through my albums, you know, a year later, it holds nice and never comes off the page. So I think that is my glue of choice here for anytime I'm using acrylic title pieces. All right, I'm getting really happy now with how the layout is coming along. Flipping through the die cuts just one more time, and I find this little strand of garland, and I thought, ooh, I really like this. So I wanted to add it without compromising the design style. So I think it'll just really enhance the title if I add it down here to the bottom below the title. So I'm going to grab a little bit of glue and I'm going to place it down here below the title, and that will finish that off. I thought about maybe putting it over on the side. I liked that too, but I think overall I like it better underneath the title, and it really draws your eye down there to that title. So I'm going to add a little bit of tape runner here, and we'll get this in place, and then that's going to wrap up today's layout. I'll show you a close-up in just a moment. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. I'll have the links to all my social media down below in the description box. If you have any questions about today's layout, just add them below. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a happy new year. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!